221. Come on, darling, huh? It's of course, if I am talking, anyway, they said this is what do you call this? Strong, very strong. So
Did it hurt?
no, I'm fine.
I mean, is it hurting your gum?
No, no. So welcome to my channel again, my beautiful friend. Oh yeah, my seatbelt, yeah. Naiuwi ko na po ang pustiso. So, ito na yung pustiso ka. But there is silver in here. But they said this is more strong. So, samahan niyo po kami. Meron po tayo pupunta. We will eat somewhere, no? We will eat somewhere.
Yeah.
The Asian buffet.
Yeah.
So, eto, oh.
You talk to me in Tagalog. I don't know Tagalog.
No, I said that we will go somewhere and eat to the Asian buffet.
Right here at the gas station.
There is Asian buffet there.
We're gonna eat at the gas station.
Oh no, that is different, you know.
They have chicken strips and stuff.
Oh, no, I don't like that. There is silver here, huh? But that's the way, ito ang ginawa nila eh. Alam ko natanggap, wala naman akong bayad. Nagbayad eh. Our, what's it called? The insurance, our insurance pay this one. Next project is the extraction. But
Yeah, but then they're gonna have to add a couple teeth.
the extraction,
When they take them out, then they gotta add a couple teeth to their portion.
another portion again. I think that is
They'll attach them to that one.
no, that is I think next time.
They will attach them to that one. After they pull those two teeth, they leave it go for a while, and then they attach two teeth to the partial you have now.
Oh no, I cannot talk. What do you mean? No, may nag-experimento yung pagkasalita kasi ah. Excuse me. So, tignan natin kung if I will eat with my new what is that? With my new denture, no?
Yeah, but it's not really a denture; it's a partial.
Oh, okay, partial, okay. Because denture is complete, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
There's only a few teeth. It's a partial.
yeah. So, welcome again to my channel, Bill and Proud to Living. Kakain po tayo sa one of the Asian buffet in here. At last, naiwi ko na rin ang aking ngipin, ang aking pustiso.
Mosquito.
Pustiso in Tagalog, partial.
Mosquito.
Pustiso. Pustiso. The partial.
Mosquito.
Pustiso, darling.
That's a what?
P-U-S. Pustiso.
Mosquito.
The one I don't like is the silver one. Of course, if I am talking or... but anyway. That's the way, because the other... Before, my partial is... Oh, I will look again. It's still in the house. My old partial. But partial is after 8 years ago, of course, lesson again, no? So, anyway. Because April 7.
Huh?
They schedule me April 7, but I told to them I will go April 25. I said, if that is already healed, no, they said no, not really. So, yeah. June 2? I think that is better that way.
You won't be back in June.
June 27, May 27, I said. So they scheduled me like that.
This is April now.
Now it's March. Darling. Yeah, my another schedule is June 2. They want me April 2. I said,
March, April. Okay.
I said I will go April 25. If that is healed already? Oh, not really. So, yeah, make another appointment. Yeah, the next appointment is June 2. 1 o'clock.
Excuse me.
So, yeah. I misplaced this. I hope very good to eat, no?
What?
No, because I have new partial, no? They gave me the...
Maybe you'll have to take it out so your mouth.
Oh, no, I will not
so
do
your
that.
mouth gets used to it.
Yeah, no. They gave me this one, no? Like a kid. No.
Like a kid.
Kid. Something. I cannot.
Free?
Wait, darling. Shit. Tapos may nalaglag eh, may pinupulot ko. Ito na kung ako.
You can curse. You do everybody else.
Oh yeah, I know, but yeah. Yeah, I heard. Like especially Mike Cohen. Holy moly. But of course, they are big time YouTuber, no? I think they don't care that.
What's that, for peeing in?
No, here, that's why I am showing it to you.
For peeing in on the plane? Huh? Yeah.
They gave me this one, no?
That's all that's in there?
They gave me this, like, you know, this one.
That's all that's in there?
They said, the worker, they said, during the night, I will put my partial in here. Put water.
That's how to put it.
Yeah, and tablet. This one.
Oh, I got a big thing of those.
Yeah, here is this. And the tablet like this. I'm showing to my subscriber like this. And
I got a big thing of those.
they gave me also, if just in case,
Yeah,
the floating grip.
that's what I use.
Just in
exact-
case.
Same one I use.
And they gave me, they said,
What is that?
the toothpaste, the toothbrush.
You're not supposed to brush them. Huh?
They told me they will give
Is
me.
that for the rest of your mouth?
They will give me toothpaste. They said that
That's for the rest of your mouth.
They said don't use my toothpaste, our toothpaste. Just brush it with water. That's it. Because maybe harsh to the person.
I know.
So anyway, so here, during the night, I will pull out my postizo.
Mosquito.
Postizo in Tagalog.
Mosquito.
Postizo. Tiyo. Wala tayong malang gawin sa pag-aayos. Ayan. Naibig na rin natin ang aking postizo. Ay lang, hindi ko gusto yung ito yung stainless. Darling. Oh, okay. Anyway, already made, so it's fine, good. Meron tayong postizo. The next is extraction. So we're very far. Where is the Asian buffet here?
Gatesville.
This is the same China buffet.
Same one.
The other one is very far.
What other one? I don't know.
Oh, okay. So we are here. Dito rin kami kumain dati before. My husband told me the other one is very far.
Closed today?
Yeah, now open, I think.
Where?
Wait,
I don't know. Are they?
they said welcome. Yeah.
Where's the hours? I don't know. The curtains are closed.
We can look.
Make a U-turn.
Make a U-turn. Okay.
Sarado yung Asian buffet na pinuntahan namin. Off every Tuesday. So we will go in another Asian buffet.
Continue on US 167 south for 1.5 miles.
1.5 miles, okay.
The time now here is 2:39 in the afternoon.
It's up there where all the fast food restaurants are. It's up here where all the fast food restaurants
Yeah.
are. You know, they have every fast food restaurant you could think of.
There.
Look at them houses up there. Red, green, blue, yellow.
Yeah, what is that house? Like a
I
barn?
don't know. I never seen them before.
Or we can use that
I never seen them before.
as house.
I don't know.
I think that is also house. No, it's what little house, no?
Yeah, maybe.
But no door, no window. I like house. So you need the electricity to if the window is wide.
What?
1,000 feet. Turn left after Dairy Queen Grill and chill onto Neely Street.
Okay, turn up. Come on, I want to come over there. Come on.
Turn left after Dairy Queen Grill and chill onto Neely Street, then turn right.
Okay. Turn left after Dairy Queen. Right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn right, then turn right.
What? Turn right, then turn right.
What?
What is that? It says we're here.
So, andito na po kami. So,
Okay.
go inside. Yan. Kylie. Bakit walang tao?